You know, I don't really mind all the rain, but daggone, it sure is making it hard to get a full day's worth of work done. I tell you what, I mean, for real though, yo, it's crazy. Oh man, it feels good out here though, and it's not really raining that hard, but you know. I'll just put the rest of the jobs I got on the list for till tomorrow. Tell you what, my chucker can't get nothing done. Daggone rain. Go in here and get me some stuff for dinner. I just got out the damn store. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Look at this. I'm parked way down there. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Rain is making love to the ground today.